Okay, so I just got out of Walmart, and it still is not snowing, but right now, see if I can get it. I cannot get it. Yeah, they ain't picking it up, but anyway, let's see if I can pick it up on this one. There we go. See that? That is rain. It is not snowing yet. And it's actually, it is actually really nice. But yeah, it's nice. It ain't even snowing yet. It's kind of warm. And I just not got out of Walmart because I'm taking advantage of being able to get out. But I guess until tomorrow, we'll see how much snow we get. Peace. Okay guys, all the hype's over. This is day one. It has hit day one of Blizzard 2014, and I just want to come out here and show you some of the stuff we're getting. I mean, as you can see, it is just absolutely just coming down, big snowflakes. It's warm, believe it or not. The snow's heavy. This stuff will not blow and drift. The stuff that's on the ground right now. But yeah, so this is the this is how it looks. I'll show you some of the views. Yeah, see all that? Look at all that snow. I mean, that is absolutely beautiful. All the heavy snow here. And yeah, just take a moment and check this stuff out. But anyway, we'll go and I'll show you the snow mound, well, the snow bank that I built. I need to shovel it more again. I'm gonna pile it up. Okay, but anyways, so here's the snow bank that I built just last night. You guys seen? You can't really tell, but I'm getting ready to shovel it again, just to make it higher. You know, just to make it higher so it will block the wind and the blowing and drifting snow, and hopefully it works. But yeah, I knew I would have to keep it kept up for the work, and I'm gonna have to shovel it all again. But that's good. It will make it higher so the wind and stuff won't be too bad. But right now we're just getting heavy snow, no wind, and it's warm. And it's actually, this is my favorite kind of snow. It ain't cold, it's nice and warm, it's just pretty fluffy. It's awesome. But yeah, this ain't bad. This ain't bad at all. Okay, so still day one of the blizzard, and it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's still nice and calm, no wind, tons of snow coming down. Look at the snow fall off that tree there, the Naples tree. Look at that. I don't know if you're seeing it or. But anyway, so there's a snowbank that I've been making. It's getting higher, as you can see. But yeah, there's no wind yet. It's still pretty warm, and it's just whiteout conditions. And I'm just out here to build up the snowbank a little bit more. But yeah, look at all the snow falling off these trees. It's pretty cool. Tons of snow on the trees. I'm gonna get to making the snowbank a little bit higher.